Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Hannah Dennis, and we are going to be seeing some of those spotty rain showers start to exit our state, but they're going to be returning. However, our best chance to see some storms is going to be on Saturday, and those 90s are going to return. Now, as far as our rain chances go, you can see Saturday is definitely the best day for us to see some rain here in Iowa. Then we get a couple of dry days, a small chance on Tuesday, and a couple more dry days, but that's going to be the trend for the next week. We're going to get some rain, have a few days to dry off, and then get some more rain, and then we'll just go back and forth with it. As far as Futurecast goes, this is looking at today at 5 p.m. and you can see we'll see those scattered showers and storms across the state, but as we get into those overnight hours, it really just starts to dry out. Now, as far as tomorrow night goes, you can see that we are seeing those scattered showers and storms, but they are going to stay more towards the north part of the state. However, Friday night into Saturday, things kind of change. This is looking at Saturday at 1 a.m. You can see the northern part of the state is really going to be seeing some storms rolling through, and you can just see how it really just wants to stay up towards the northern part of the state. This is at 5 a.m. on Saturday, but we could see this trend down towards the central Iowa as we go on throughout the day. Now, as we go into this evening or Saturday evening, you can see that it does start to reach into the central part of the state, but it looks like we are going to mainly see showers. The storms are wanting to stay north and south of the metro, which is a good thing. However, they really start to explode as we go into Saturday night. This is looking at 8 p.m. The southeastern part of the state is really going to get some rain, but they did miss out on the rain earlier this week, so this is going to be much needed for them, but there is a chance that we could see some severe weather. Now, after Saturday and we go into Sunday, clouds clear out along with the rain, setting us up to have a really nice Sunday, so the entire weekend is not a washout. Now, as far as severe weather goes, the northeastern part of the state is in that level 2 risk on Saturday. The rest of the state is in that level 1 risk. So it is a possibility that some of these pop-up storms could turn strong to severe, but we're mainly looking at wind and hail. Tornadoes are a low threat right now, so that is the good news. Unfortunately, things are going to warm up again. You can see that we're not the only ones that are going to be warming up either. Majority of the U.S. is going to see those above average temperatures, and we're going to see those 90s again, but our heat indexes are going to get close to the hundreds. So it is going to be really hot. You can see, especially on Tuesday. Tuesday is definitely the day that is going to be hot, humid. We're going to see possibly some more storms in the afternoon. Tuesday just doesn't look like a nice day to be out, but unfortunately, those 90s are looking like they're coming here to stay for a little while. So hopefully you enjoyed the past couple of days while we were in the 70s and 80s. Now tonight we'll get down to 71 degrees. It's not going to be as cool, and those clouds are slowly going to exit the state. And then tomorrow we're going to get up to 92 degrees. We're going to stay mainly dry, but we'll have those pop-up isolated showers. But you saw everything is going to stay more towards the north. And then looking at our 10-day, lots of 90s. Tuesday is going to be a hot and humid one. Now this Saturday, remember, there are going to be showers and storms, but for the rest of the week, you can see that we are going to see that sun, but we do see the 80s again before going into next weekend. So we'll get a chance to cool down, but it's going to be a hot stretch going into next week.